morning everybody. In last class we discussed about what the index number. We discussed about what in last class the definition of index number and what you mean by price relative. Then also we discuss the types of index number. Okay. Next we discuss about what uses of index number. Okay. In last class we discussed in types of index number. First we have to take the price index number. In price index number we divided into unweighted price index number and weighted price index number. In weighted price index number we discussed simple average of relative, simple aggregative index number, that is weighted aggregative index number. So in weighted aggregative index number we discuss the Laspeyres price index number, Fash's price index number, Fisher's price index number and the Marshall-Edgeworth price index number. These are the main four weighted aggregative index numbers. Next, this about what? This about the price index number. Next, second one we have to take that is second type, that is quantity index number. Quantity. The quantity index number. In quantity index number, we discuss the first one, that is Laspeyres quantity index number. Laspeyres quantity index numbers. Okay. In Laspeyres quantity index number, the formula is that is Q01. You have to denote Q01. But in case of price index number, what have to take? P01 we have to take. But in this case, for Laspeyres quantity index number, we have to take Q01. Q01 equal to summation, that is Q1 P0 divided by summation Q0 P0, okay, into 100. This is what the formula for Laspeyres quantity index number. What I have to say that Q01 equal to summation Q1 P0 divided by summation Q0 P0 into 100. In this case, here the weights are assigned as base year prices. Here the weights are assigned as base year prices. But in case of Laspeyres price index number, what I have to say that here the weights are assigned as base year quantities, but in this case base year weights are assigned as base year prices. This is about what the Laspeyres quantity index number. Then the second one, Fash's quantity index number. In Fash's quantity index number, the formula is Q01 equal to, okay, summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P1 into 100. This is what the Fash's quantity index number. Q01 equal to summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P1 into 100. Here the weights are assigned as current year prices. Here the weights are assigned as current year prices. This is about what the Fash's quantity index number. Okay. This is second one. Then third one is Fisher's price index number. Fisher's, not price, quantity index number. Fisher's quantity index number. Here this is equal to Q01 equal to. So what I have to say that the definition, it is the geometric mean of Laspeyres and the Fash's quantity index number. What I have to say that it is the geometric mean of Laspeyres, that is Q01 for LA indicate Laspeyres into Q01 for PA indicates Fash's price index number into what? 100. This is about what? The Fisher's quantity index number. What I have to say that it is the geometric mean of what? The Laspeyres and Fash's quantity index number. This can be rewritten as, that is Q01 equal to square root of, okay, that is summation Q1 P0 divided by summation Q0 P0 into summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P1, okay, into 100. This is about what? The Fisher's quantity index number. In this case, the weights are assigned as, that is, base year and current year prices. Here, the weights are assigned as base year and current year prices. This is about what? The Fisher's quantity index number. Okay. Next, last one is Marshall Edgeworth. Last one is Marshall Edgeworth quantity index number. Marshall Edgeworth quantity index number. Here the formula is Q01 equal to summation Q1 P0 plus summation Q1 P1 whole divided by summation Q0 P0 plus summation Q0 P1 into 100. This is about what? The Marshall Edgeworth quantity index number. Here the weights are assigned as, that is same what I want to say, that in case of Fisher's price index number, weights are assigned as base year and current year prices. This is about what? The Marshall Edgeworth quantity index number. This is about what? The quantity index number, that is weighted aggregative quantity index number. What I have to discuss: Laspers quantity index number, Fash's quantity index number, Fisher's quantity index number, and Marshall Edgeworth quantity index number. Then next heading, the steps for constructing index number. Steps for constructing index number. That is, there are various steps to construct what? The index number. The first step, that is, first one is the purpose of the index number. That is, the first step is the purpose of the index number. The purpose of the index number. Here, in purpose of the index number, first we have to define which purpose you have to construct the index number. First you have to define in this case, okay, because there are various different types of index number, that is consumer price index number, okay, price index number, quantity index number. There are different types of index number. So first we have to define in purpose of index number which purpose you have to construct the index number. First you have to define in this case. This is the first step. The second step is the selecting the base field. Selecting the base field. In selection of base field, here the base field should be what I have to say, that it should be fixed. There is no change in the base field, only the changes in what? The current field. And the base field always stable. The base field always stable. This is about what? The selecting the base field. Then third point is selecting the items. Selecting the items. In selecting the items, there are various types of items we have to discuss. Here, before selecting the item, there are different types of items like what? Consumer price index number. There are different types of items. Depend upon the your 20, the item should be